The managing directors and founders of AQUAM INSULA, Mr. and Mrs. Ditterman, the director of AQUAM INSULA families of company, Ms. Asmita Sami, members of the Ditterman family who play a significant role in the family company, members of the staff of the family-owned business, ladies and gentlemen, Bulabinak, and a very good evening to you all. Allow me to begin by acknowledging and thanking the founders of AQUAM INSULA, Mr. Tolaf Ditterman and your lovely wife, Ms. Silke Ditterman, for the kind invitation extended to me to celebrate with you and the members of your family and staff for the launching of your newly established AQUAM INSULA Maritime Lifestyle Warehouse. Excuse me. The Maritime Lifestyle Warehouse adds a notch of quality and excellence to the AQUAM INSULA business portfolio, which over the period of 13 years has amassed an accumulated investment worth 16 million Fiji dollars. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the founders, management and the staff for your continued confidence in the family business and industry. Your contribution to the nation's economy that directly results in improvement in the overall well-being of your employees and national input is equally commendable. Before I continue, I wish to briefly comment here how pleased I am that AQUAM INSULA Maritime Lifestyle Warehouse is 100% solar powered. Mr. Tolaf and Mrs. Silke, I commend you and your team for promoting the implementation and the use of green energy. Not only the utility of renewable energy ecological, but it is also hugely economical from a business perspective. Family and friends, I have been informed that AQUAM INSULA Maritime Lifestyle Warehouse offers a comprehensive luxury maritime experience that combines unparalleled maritime lifestyle services to elevate super yacht domestic experiences. Unquestionably, your specialty warehouse adds a level of promise to Denarau as well as the nation's super yacht sector. It also uplifts the caliber and capabilities and businesses who are involved or associated with a projected lifestyle. On a side note, the economic value of the super yacht sector potentially channels into the country is huge. A 2018 economic impact study of the yachting sector in Fiji that was conducted by Port Denarau and the Wunda Marina in partnership, thank you sir, in partnership with a market development facility and an independent consultant, found that 34.9 million Fijian dollars in foreign exchange was spent directly into Fijian businesses and communities for fuel, maintenance and dockage, including a range of other tourism activities. Safe to say that there is potential future growth in our yacht and super yacht segment. Your state-of-the-art AQUAM INSULA Maritime Lifestyle Warehouse, stocked with a spectrum of premium products from certified manufacturers, is certainly a step in the right direction, given the economic niche in the Denarau hotspot. I believe everybody is excited tonight. To the Ditterman family and management and the staff of AQUAM INSULA Maritime Lifestyle Warehouse, and portfolio of the family businesses, congratulations again. I applaud you for taking the bold step. This new venture was undoubtedly a result of comprehensive surveys and experience to service an essential niche in a location that excludes opportunity. Pinakamaleo for your dedication, and I wish you the best in moving forward. May God bless you all, and may God bless our nation. I thank you.